one of the best things about the Samsung Galaxy S9 is the photo quality. Yes, that is right. It takes some awesome pictures in picture mode.
This phone has made me fall in love with taking pictures again. I'm a video guy, I love taking videos, but there's something on here called Selective Photos. It works on the back and the front facing camera, and what it does is it just blurs out the background. Now it does it all in software. You don't need a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus for this, and it also works on a front facing camera like I said, but it makes everything look good. It is a bit buggy, it doesn't always work, but when it does, it's like,
awesome. Yeah, it's like, you know when you go to a photographer, like a professional photographer, and they blur out the background, but they make you like pop out of the picture? That's basically what it's like. So you're getting like a free photographer.
It even makes hanging out in Mackie D's look good.
It does.
But I gotta say, there are some problems with it, especially when doing it with the back-facing camera. Like you take a picture and then it says, I couldn't blur the background. Take another picture, it says, oh, sorry, I couldn't blur the background. You need to always make sure that your eyes and your face are always in frame, and you need to go really close up to the person, or just take several pictures at a time. But when it does work, it does look good.
Yes.
With front facing, it's a lot easier because you can see the circles around your faces, so you can actually time it out. But you always need to have your face facing the camera, which can be annoying. Like if you want to do like an epic sunset kind of like kiss kind of picture, that's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work at all.
Okay, Google.
I have to say, your phone is pretty damn fast.
My friends, microphones.
Woo!
Today is a special day.
Goodbye, iPhone. You're now officially my ex-iPhone.